Okay, in last class we discussing about special meaning of wild cards. Okay, what is the meaning of wild cards? Like what is the meaning of star? What is the meaning of question mark? What is the meaning of rectangular bracket? What is the meaning of dot? What is the meaning of negation? Okay, these are the five wildcard we discussed in the last class. Okay, in this section we are going to discuss removing the special meaning of wildcard using escaping and quanting. Means we can remove the special. What is the meaning of the star? Means we are going to list all. Okay, this is the meaning of the wildcard or meta character. The meaning of the star can be removed using escaping, means providing backslash before the wildcard, means using backslash before the wildcard we can remove the meaning of this wildcard. Okay, and we can also use quotes. Within quotes, if you write the wildcard, the special meaning will be removed. Okay, remove the special meaning of the wildcard by using escaping and quanting. Okay, how we can remove, we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, escaping, providing a backslash character before the wildcard to remove or escape its special meaning, means using backslash before the wildcard, it going to remove the special meaning of that wildcard. Okay, next using quanting, means using quotes, single quotes, enclose the wildcard or even the entire pattern within quotes, means like this. Okay, anything within the quotes are left alone by the shall not interrupted, means ಈ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಶೆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದಿ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಶೆಲ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಶೆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟಚ್ ಇಟ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ the special meaning of star will not going to apply here. Means why? Means the shell will not going to interrupt inside the codes, so the special meaning of the wildcard will not going to work. Okay, so how we can remove the special meaning of wildcard? Means using escaping, nothing but using backslash before the wildcard, like this or like this or like this. Okay, or like this or like this. Okay, you can use escaping, that means back slash character, and we can use also quotes, nothing but single quotes. Within this single quotes, whatever you write, the shell will not going to interrupt, it going to leave as it is, means there is no application of meaning of the special meaning of the wildcard because it not going to interrupt. Okay, next we'll discuss in depth with examples how escaping is work and how codes will work. Escaping, placing a backslash immediately before a meta character turn off its special meaning. Means suppose ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂದರೆ this backslash will go into turn off the meaning of this ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ನ ಇದು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ this is not going, this is general example, means we are not using the any removing character here, we are not using this or this here. Okay, arya chop star, remove all the files starting with chop, like chop 01, chop 02, chop 03 are removed. Okay, means the meaning is there. Chop, after chop star is there, means star representing none or many. Okay, star ಮುಂದೆ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಏನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಚಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ escaping character, what will happen, we are going to see now. Okay, this is, we are using same, observe, here also same command, here also same command, but here we place the escaping character. Okay, here we placed escape character. Okay, what will happen, meta character meaning is turned off, remove the file with chop star, means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬಿಫೋರು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಮೆಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್, ಈ ಮೀನಿಂಗು ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿ ಫೈಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಚಾಪ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಫೈಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ this shell will take as chop star as a file name. ಈ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಾರಿ, ಈ ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ಫೈಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಚಾಪ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. If there are file with names chap 01, chap 02, chap 03, to list the file name starting with 0, means we know that suppose we want to list the chap 1 to chap 3, means here we are using the rectangular bracket. Okay, means they are telling 1 2 3, means we should mention 1 2 3. Okay, next, before the brackets we have to mention starting character chap 0, means so 1 2 3 andre means 1 2 3, means 1 2 3. Suppose 1 2 5 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ 1, ಚಾಪ್ 01, ಚಾಪ್ 02, ಚಾಪ್ ಅಂತ 3 ಫೈಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ listed. Okay, which are the 2 files? Chap 01, because chap 01 is there, that will be listed. Chap 02, chap 0 is there, 2, means in between 1 to 5 we can, ಅಂದರೆ 1 2 3 4, 5 with rectangular brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. ಈ 5 ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ listed. ಸೊ 2 is there, 2 will be listed. Chap is there, but they are telling chap 0 should be there. Here there is no 0. So this is not going to list. Only chap 01, chap 02 will be listed. Okay. Next, this is the meaning. Next, to match the file named as chap 0, the 2, 1, 3, but we are using here escaping character ls chap backslash 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3 files can be listed. But here this case will not happen here because we turn off the meaning of this brackets. So if the file name having like this means chap 0 open bracket 1, 2, 3 ಈ ಥರ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ this will be listed. Only one file will be listed because we turned off the meaning of this bracket. So ಈ ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ chap 0 open bracket 1-3 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಈ ನೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ chap 0 open bracket 1, 2, 3 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ escaping the new line character. We know that already we discussed in our program. If you are write /n means the cursor will move to next line. Okay, suppose you are printing this message, the new line character is enter the command means up to the new line character is okay, that is in one line, and next to enter the command will move to in next line. Okay, you can observe here the new line character is okay, it is in one line. Is missing, add it. Okay, is the new line character is okay, this is in one line. After is there is a /n means cursor will move to next line. Okay, ಆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ದಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, /n ನ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ /n ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕೋ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ /n enter the command. Here you can see that what is the output. The new line character is /n enter the command. Here new line character interpretation is turned off. The /n is printed as it is means ಸಿಂಗಲ್ /n ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವು ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು / ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ /n ಈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ /n ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು, ಮೂವ್ ಟು ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು / ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ /n. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವು /n ಅಂತ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ದಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್. ದಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ /n enter the command. But here you can see that only single /n is there. So the meaning is /n is move to next line enter the new character, and the new line character is. Next after is slash n is there, it going to move to next line, enter the command. Okay, now quotes. Okay, this is the another way of turn off the meaning of the meta character. When a command argument is enclosed with quotes, the meaning of all enclosed special character are turned off. Means ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾರ ಮೆಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಮ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ means here meta character meaning is turned off. Means meaning of the star is removed. Remove the file's name with chop ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾರ ಈ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ ವಿಚ್ has space embedded. Okay, this is how you are going to remove the special character. Okay, means they are going to ask list and explain how you are going to remove the special meaning of white card. Means how to tell using escaping, using quanting, and you have to explain what is meant by escaping, what is meant by quanting with at least 2 examples. Okay, next we are moving to reduction, the 3 standard files. Okay, reduction is the process by which we specify that a file is to be used in place of one of the standard file. Means reduction is the process by which we specify that a file is to be used in place of one of the standard file. Okay, means we are going to use in one of the standard file. Okay, there are 3 files. With input file we call it input reduction. With output file we call it output reduction. Okay, with the error file we call it as error reduction. Okay, means nothing but output file na we are going to call it, input file na we are going to call it as input reduction. Means we are going to replacing, means input file anta ಕರೆಯೋದನ್ನ we are going to call it as input reduction. We call it as input reduction. With output file we are going to call it as output redirection. With the error file we are going to call it as error redirection. Okay, standard input, the file representing the input which is connected to keyboard. Means standard input we know that we are going to give through the keyboard. Okay, standard output, the file representing the output which is connected to display. We know that we are going to get the output through our displays. Okay, so here the file representing the output that will be connected to the display. Next, standard error, the file representing the error message that emitted from the command or shell. This is also connected to display. Means this error files also we are going to connect it to display, because we are going to know the error command through the display only. Means when you are coding you are getting some error, means that will be visible in our display only. So this is file representing the error message that emitted from command as shell. This is also connected to display only. Okay. Each of the three standard files are represented by a number called file descriptor. The first three slots are generally allocated to three standard streams in this manner. Okay, here 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 ಅಂತ ತ್ರೀ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That will be dedicated to 0 is dedicated to standard input, 1 is dedicated to standard output, and 2 is dedicated to standard error. Okay, in next video we are going to discuss one by one how and what this standard input is useful, and next standard output, standard error will be discussed in next video. Okay, thank you. We'll discuss these three topics: standard input, standard output, standard error. Means redirection. There are three standard files. One is input redirection, output redirection, 0 redirection. Okay, here it is represented by 0, 1 and 2, and we know that input file will be connected to keyboard, output file is connected to display, and error message files also connected to display only. This error messages that emitted from command or shell. Okay, n message, error message by the command or shell, that is that file will be connected to display only. Okay, in a very allocated slot, first three slot 0, 1, 2 will be dedicated to three standard files. One is first one, that is 0, is dedicated to standard input, one is dedicated to standard output, third one nothing but 2 is dedicated to standard error. In next class we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, thank you.